G'day team, I've got Lukey Paul here from Tweed Bait. It's a family-owned company, he's part of the family, and today I want to talk to you about these little numbers here because they are an iconic bait. How are they caught? Are they sustainably caught? Is it all done by old school line fishing?
They burley up, everything's chopping, and then they just scoop little lures in, boom, straight into the esky.
That's it?
Yep, and that's it. Back in again.
Straight in. So,
Straight
I
in.
mean, I know...
In a big ice slurry, so...
Oh, that's the thing, because you really got to keep them, I mean, that's the key, because they are a soft flesh fish.
They are, and these are nice and firm.
You've got to keep them absolutely firm as, and they are a wonderful bait, not just for things like kingfish or even the bigger tuna, but also things like mackerel. A lot of people love to eat these in general as well.
They do.
You know, and of course the fish do. But mate, when the mackerel eat these things, I mean, realistically, a couple of hooks in their belly, a bit of a chin rig on, it's hard to go past, isn't it? There you have it. That's just an insight as to what Tweed Bait does, and of course with their Bonito, a fantastic bait. Next time you're stepping outside, grab yourself a pack, and you never know what's going to jump on the end of your hooks. Thanks, Luke.
Thanks, mate.
And of course, thanks for watching Step Outside YouTube channel for lots of cooking and fishing action. Like, subscribe, and of course comment for more catches like this and cooking recipes.